Hello, so I'm gonna take you through my house hunting process, rental house hunting process. um, बहुत लोगों को ये एक tedious task लगता होगा but मुझे बहुत मज़ा आता है. We've been living in this space for the past 3 years and we're quite not happy because there's not enough sunlight in the living room. As you can see, it's like so dark. I like a place that has good amount of sunlight, and that is exactly what I'm hunting. A nice spacious house, good balcony, top floor, and lots of sunrise and sunset. So I'm gonna take you through the process to show you how much efforts it takes into finding the perfect place. So keep watching. Will you believe it if I said I found the flat I was looking for? Welcome to my channel. I am Sonika Khani. I had to sit in my balcony to shoot this because I was craving for this amazing sun that is falling on my face right now. है ना? We like it, right? She loves the sun. Here to tell you how I manifested this space. It surely has a backstory, and I will tell you about it. But first, I want you to see my house. So let's take you through my space.
Klappat hakten alla Gullfest hela dagen Vetemjöl från livets grottekvarn Gullfest hela dagen Små på stort, det har vi alltid gjort Så det är Gullfest.
Okay, now that you've seen the space, do let me know how you like the house. The backstory about this place is basically, so back in 2018 when I got married, I used to live very close to where I'm living right now, and I entered this society because I had to meet somebody, and I just fell in love with the society. And I just thought to myself that this is such a beautiful space, this is such a beautiful society. Kash I can live in this house, in this society someday. And tabhi in 2018, our house rent was 11 or 12,000 per month. And I just made an inquiry that, how much does how much is the rent for this society where I'm living at this point of time. They said it was somewhere around 30 plus 30,000 plus, and only 3 BHKs. And that time we were living in a 2 BHK. We obviously, that was way, way, way above our budget. Then I obviously forgot about it. After many years, again I came to this society. Again, that thought came to my mind that, oh my god, I want to live in this society. This is such a beautiful house. I asked my husband, like, can we consider? He's like, you know what, babe, this is very expensive right now. But again, I inquired after a couple of years, and now the rent was 50,000. So obviously, it was again way above our budget, and the rent was obviously just constantly increasing. Again, I let it go. I was not like obsessing over it that I have to shift here. Now, when recently when we decided that, okay, you know what, now it's time for us to move out of this space. We had shifted to a 3 BHK previous to this house. Okay, we were honestly not very happy with our previous owners, and yeah, so we decided that, let's just move out. I took a subscription on some places, some through brokers. We decided that we'll just do it through a broker because it's easier. If we get it just like that directly from an owner's contact, I mean nothing like it. But we were obviously prepared for the broker cost. I came across a listing which had this society, exactly this society in that listing. And I was like shocked because I saw many more flats available in this society, which were obviously 55,000, 45,000. They were 4 BHKs. And this particular house was listed in that, and it was somewhere around 36 or 37,000. I told my husband, there's no harm in seeing the space. And I told him after we saw 2 3 flats. If you've seen the starting of the video that I showed you the house number 1, house number 2, I had my dream list ready, my bucket list. Good sunlight, it has to be a top floor, it has to be a good society with amenities. I wanted amenities because I wanted to use my society gym. Of course, if there is a swimming pool in the society, well and good. Moreover, the house, so we all the furniture that we've collected is our own. So we wanted an empty house, but we also wanted a modular kitchen. You can see the house tour that I just gave you. It ticks all the boxes. We came here to see the space and we fell in love with it, and we decided that what, we don't want to hunt anymore. Obviously we negotiated a little bit and he reduced the cost of our house rent, and we went ahead and finalized it, and we are here living, and it's been a month and a half since we are living here, and the space feels so positive. I think even Riri is so happy. Like, just look at her. She's she loves coming in the balcony and enjoying the sun. There's something really positive about this house. I feel like this huge shift in my life that has happened after I've shifted in this house, and all good shifts that have happened. Sometimes you want something, it doesn't happen in that timeline, but look at it. 8 years, 7 years back, I had wished to live in this society, and today I am living in this society, and I'm paying the rent that was uh, so expensive for us back then, but we can afford it today. And all of this feels like a blessing from the universe, from God, from all the higher energies that we all believe in. I would just say that, some things may not happen when you wished it should happen in that given timeline, which is okay, and that's when you have to stop obsessing over it and maybe just let it go. And when maybe the timing is right, and if it's meant for you, it will surely come in your environment, and you'll appreciate it even more. I hope you like my house tour. There are still some more things that I want to do in this house in terms of decor. Please do follow my channel, subscribe it, share it with somebody who wishes to manifest a dream space like this. Keep showering your love on my channel. Bye.